Imagine having immediate clarity on every screen you encounter, with every toolbar, menu, and navigation element clearly understood and intuitively used. What if navigating your SAP environment became effortless because every interface component was familiar and user-friendly? At Retailer Inc., thoroughly understanding the SAP Easy Access screen structure isn't merely about learning system navigation, it's about empowering users to operate efficiently and confidently. But what exactly constitutes the SAP Easy Access screen structure, and how can Retailer Inc. leverage this knowledge to streamline workflows and enhance productivity? Let's explore this together. In this step, we are reviewing the structure and key elements of the SAP Easy Access home screen. Understanding this layout will help you efficiently navigate through SAP. The SAP Easy Access screen serves as the home page when you log into SAP using the SAP Graphical User Interface. This screen is your main starting point for accessing transactions, applications, and important business processes within SAP. The SAP Easy Access screen is organized into two main areas, the screen header and the screen body. Each area is designed to support specific functionalities, making navigation straightforward and intuitive. This top portion is the screen header, which provides critical navigation tools, and beneath it is the screen body, which typically contains the SAP menu tree and transaction entries. At the very top of the screen header, you'll find the menu bar. The menu bar offers drop-down menus to access various functions within SAP. The specific options available in the menu bar will depend on your current context. For example, while you are on the SAP Easy Access homepage, it displays general options for navigation. However, once you enter a specific transaction, the menu bar dynamically changes, displaying relevant options associated with that particular transaction. This adaptability simplifies your navigation, offering relevant functionality at every step. Directly beneath the menu bar, you'll see the Standard Toolbar. The Standard Toolbar contains push buttons with intuitive icons, providing quick access to commonly used functions that are consistent across all SAP applications and transactions. An essential part of the Standard Toolbar is the command field. This field allows you to directly enter transaction codes, enabling rapid navigation to specific SAP screens. Transaction codes are concise alphanumeric identifiers assigned to business processes or tasks, streamlining your access to frequently used functionalities. SAP follows a logical pattern for many standard transaction codes. Typically, the transaction codes for creating a new entry end with 01. Transaction codes for changing or editing data end with 02. And transaction codes for displaying information end with 03. Knowing this convention can speed up your workflow significantly. Also present on the Standard Toolbar are essential navigation icons such as Save, Exit, Back, and Cancel. These icons allow you to efficiently manage and navigate transactions within SAP, enhancing usability and productivity. Just below the Standard Toolbar, you'll find the title bar, clearly displaying the name or title of the current transaction or screen you're viewing. This helps you immediately identify your current location within SAP. Underneath the title bar, there's the application toolbar, which contains functions and buttons specific to the application or transaction currently in use. Unlike the standard toolbar, the application toolbar changes according to the transaction or application context, providing tailored functionality precisely when you need it. At the very bottom of your screen, you'll find the status bar. The status bar includes important information such as system messages, warnings, error notifications, and various status indicators. It provides real-time feedback on your actions within SAP, ensuring that you are always informed about your current system status. Now, let's illustrate these components by going into a transaction and observing how the screen structure adapts accordingly. Let's enter transaction code VL03N, which is used to display an outbound delivery in SAP Logistics. Once this transaction is initiated, you'll notice that the menu bar has updated and now shows options specifically related to outbound deliveries, replacing the general navigation options you saw on the Easy Access screen. However, the standard toolbar remains consistent, retaining the same familiar icons for universal functions. The title bar now clearly shows the title of our current transaction, helping you confirm that you're working within the correct screen. Similarly, the application toolbar now displays new buttons and options that are directly related to managing and viewing outbound deliveries, reflecting the transaction-specific functionality. This concludes our review of the SAP Easy Access screen structure. By clearly understanding these components, you'll navigate SAP with greater ease, confidence, and efficiency. Effectively navigating SAP begins with understanding the fundamental structure and functionality of its primary interfaces. Familiarity with the SAP Easy Access screen structure significantly improves usability, reduces training time, and enhances operational efficiency. For Retailer Inc., mastering this knowledge means faster onboarding for new users, fewer navigation errors, and improved productivity across teams. Reflecting on this, consider how could clearer understanding of SAP screen structures improve daily operations at Retailer Inc. What productivity gains could teams achieve through better interface navigation? Ultimately, how does mastering SAP Easy Access navigation empower Retailer Inc. to streamline processes and enhance overall performance? Your journey to intuitive, efficient SAP navigation begins here. Are you ready to take the next step?